Kanti singinayo njengamanje kubika ukuthi uThukuthele uyaveva umlisa ogama lakhe lingu-Owen Ndlovu owaziwa noma uveza ukuthi unguye wasungula indaba ye-Song of the Year okuye kube ingoma ezohlukanisa unyaka. Kanti sokhumbula ukuthi lo mnumzane kuke kwaba nenxushunxushu ngonyaka ka-2020 lapho khona lezi ngoma ey'suke zidlala emsakazweni weKhozi FM ziyi-top 10 nalapho khona kusuke kulindeleke khona unombolo 1 okuyena ozoswezela enyakeni omusha. Kanti ngonyaka ka-2020 ayibangabikho ingoma ebusuke eswezele enyakeni ka-2021 nokwenza kwaba nomsindo kakhulu. Njengamanje usephinde waphumela obala ngenkulumo yakhe u-Owen Ndlovu uthi kuningi azokucacisa enkulumeni azoba nayo kusasa. Uyacela ukuthi abantu babheke inkulumo yakhe azobe yethula lapho khona izobe iveza ucorruption kanye nokungasebenzi kahle kwe-SABC kubalwa khona nomsakazo uKhozi FM. Mbuka lesilethu uhle TV ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe ku-YouTube channel yethu usitshele ukuthi kuthini ukuphawula kwakho kuma-comment section thina sobe sesifunda.
Good evening, my name is Owen Ndlovu, the owner of the Song of the Year. There's no one that has got a Song of the Year on the 31st except myself. We went to court over this for years, you know that. People were laughing at me and thinking that I was just claiming. In court, Nada Wachela, in an affidavit, said, theirs is ingoma ezohlukanisa, not the Song of the Year. I've seen now the statement that has been released by SABC. They say now they've got a Song of the Year. A Song of the Year is an award, which is an SABC summer song that SABC tried to distance themselves from. So please join me tomorrow at 6, which is Friday, 29 December 2023. Join me tomorrow 6 o'clock, Friday, 29 December 2023. I'll be addressing all the matters. I've seen also the allegations that have been made by journalists and the newspapers as well as actually online, talking about the shenanigans and corruption by the station manager of Ukhozi FM, Mrs. Ngengoma. I am aware of all those allegations. I'll be addressing them. Please call me tomorrow and join me tomorrow. I'll be live. You can ask any questions. I'll be addressing all the shenanigans to do with SABC. The culprit at SABC is one person and one person only, and that is Nada Wachela. Nada Wachela is the one protecting the corrupt people of her favorites. One of them is Ndlovu. She is protected even using SABC and public material to protect people like Abu Ndlovu. So tomorrow, please join me at 6 talking about the Song of the Year. Because of the last time I checked and the affidavit I have, it's got SABC having ingoma ezohlukanisa, not the Song of the Year. But the statement is talking about now the Song of the Year. And the person that is doing that is Nada. I will be telling you all the facts that you need to know. Join me again tomorrow, Friday evening, 6 o'clock, the 29th of December, 2023.